How to check updates for Signal application. Are you guys facing issue to check updates on Signal app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To check the updates on Signal application, open the Google or Play Store on the Android or iOS. Once you open in the search bar, type Signal and open the Signal app page. If an update is available, you'll see an option Update button. Tap it to download and install the latest version. If you don't see an update button, your app is already up to date. Keeping Signal updated ensures you get the latest features and security improvements. You can also enable automatic updates in your phone settings to stay updated without checking manually. And if you're not sure how to take any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna check for updates on Signal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.